up, DS Squad? Today I'm going to show you Daedra's slime. And she's not here right now because she's doing her homework. And she might do a vlog today. Yeah, she might do a vlog today. She might. But I don't know yet. But this is the slime. This is the slime. And it's really stretchy. And it looks really cool if you guys can see it. It has just a bunch of foam bubbles in there and they're different colors. So I'm going to put it in the container. So this is the container we have it in. And I'm just going to knit it right now because she made the slime, but she hasn't knit it yet. So she just made the slime. So she hasn't knit it yet, but I'm going to knit it right now for her. Knitting it. Okay, now I'm done knitting it.
Alright.
So now it looks really cool. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has different colors on them. If I have a light, I'll show you guys, but I don't have a light on me right now. So it's really stretchy. I made it. And I'm going to put in the container. And I wish I had a table right now because I don't right now. But I'm going to move you guys so you guys can see me. Here we go. Okay, now you guys can see me. Now you guys can see me. So here's my slime. I mean Daedra's slime. I call it my slime because I really did it. I told her she should do this slime, but she just doesn't get it. It smells so good. She put I put vanilla extra in here to it could smell good. It smells like heaven. So it's really stretchy and it has little beads in it. Let me see if I can take one out really quick. This one. This is what they look like, and there's tons of colors. There's really different colors. So I'm gonna show you guys to hear the crunch. So I'll show you guys the crunch. So it's crunchy slime basically. So I'm gonna. Okay. You heard that? It was really cool. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can do a slime bubble. We've been trying to do this. I've been trying to do this. We both have been trying to do slime bubbles, but it just hasn't worked out. So I'm gonna see if I can do one for you guys. Let's try. Let's see. It has to be really spread it out because. There we go. It didn't work. Okay, so I'm going to roll it in a ball because that's what we did yesterday. Yesterday we rolled it in a ball and then... So, I have the container right here and the lid. So yeah. And if you're wondering what this says, it says happy birthday because Daedra got this from her birthday party. She's like, yeah, I'm going to use that for slime. Okay.
Alright, Mason, what color is the cheese?
Now, put it down.
What color is the pepperoni?
Oh my god, I was so close. So I'm going to roll it in a ball again.
This is what your pepperoni going to look like. We're going to put it on there.
And that's her sister. She's teaching a class right now. She has this art thing every day. This art thing. It's every Wednesday, I think, and Tuesday. So she just does that. And there's just kids crying. Her cousin is, not her cousin, but her baby niece is here today. And he's staying here. He's from Detroit. But yeah. So we're gonna put it down, and then we're gonna spread it apart. I'm gonna spread it more out.
Alright, now.
And hey guys, that's Daisy. She's doing her work right now.
Good, right?
Hi everyone. And yes guys, I did
Okay, listen.
slime video.
So this is what the first one look like.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do a
We're
broken
gonna have a
swirl.
little crust at the top. A good little piece of crust on the top.
There we go. No!
Hey, you got more glue?
No, we have glue sticks.
Okay, good.
I don't need help inside. No, that was not tough. That was dry.
Push it back.
Oh, it's not working. Okay, here we go. Let's try to make a slime. And then I'll do the booty swirl. Oh my god, I was so close. Okay.
That's the only one.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm asking Alicia, how do you show down this? This is not show down. What?
So this is the slime. And it's really stretchy.
So Mason, you got your crust.
Really stretchy. Really stretchy. Okay, yeah. So I'm just gonna poke it really quick,
Okay, yes.
and then I'm gonna stretch it. Then it works. Okay.
That's right on there.
Poking it.
And that piece will look extra good, girl. Got you yet.
You see? Yeah, that's my sister. So we're gonna stretch it. It like really stretches. Let's see how high it can go. So I'm gonna put you guys up so you guys can see.
Go back.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna do this, and we're gonna see if it falls and if it goes all the way to the floor. Here we go. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna roll it in a ball. Just put it in there. Put it in Benji's. Okay, take a piece of it and just. Oh, it just became a ball. I'm gonna do it like this. It's actually stretchy. It was like so stretchy. It looks so cool. So we're gonna roll it, and then just like go.
Whoops, Eddie, you like our pizza?
Yeah.
Is that skinny?
Yep. Here, I found a pink one. It's really pretty. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Ah!
Look at Mason. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Slime. Here, let's try to do a slime bubble. So I'm gonna stretch it, and I'm gonna try to like swing it like this. to really make the slime, all you need is some glue, some Tide, and some of these beads that you can find at Walmart for like 99 cents and stuff. So yeah, it's really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please comment down below. Comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss another video like this one. And subscribe to be one of our DS Squatters. See you guys next week. Peace!